This is really nasty. But
it tastes like prune juice.
Let's give each other a toast for 09.
Oh my god, 2009. Ain't gonna cry?
Yeah. Okay, it's almost right now. What? I can't believe I'm so confident now! Yeah. So, yeah, we said our goodbyes to those people. And like we said, like, if you're not willing to step up, then forget you. We're moving on to bigger, better, and humongous things.
Uh-oh.
It's up.
Humongous. And when we say bigger, we mean bigger. When we say better, we mean better. We're moving there, you know.
But yeah, it's kind of sad to let those people go. Not gonna lie. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, eh? Okay. Are you gonna get in the video?
Oh, I was. It's 2009, you guys. Oh, you guys. I'll pick the wrong area. Oh, my hair is horrible.
My auntie's gonna kill me.
I know. I hope we don't do nothing with this video.
Oh my god, look at my crazy butt. The freaking can was in my drink. No wonder it tastes like metal.
1202. 1202!
New Year!